What's the meaning of black mark? Black mark. Black mark.
Black mark. Black mark. The term black mark can have different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In general, it refers to a negative mark or indication that signifies a mistake, wrongdoing, or failure. For instance, in the academic context, a black mark might refer to a low grade on an assignment or test. In the business world, a black mark could mean a negative review or criticism from a customer. It can also refer to a criminal record or a history of bad behavior. In short, a black mark is an unfavorable mark that can have a detrimental impact on one's reputation or prospects.